wastelands through the highways, and on we'll go.
Hey guys, so I'm gonna do the random picker for the Sole bread on Instagram. Every time, I've never done this on Instagram before, so I just want to make sure that everybody sees. Okay. We don't want a double name, or we want one winner. All right, are you guys ready? Start giveaway. So the winner is C. Gomez. Go Keto! Yay! Congratulations! This is half a pack of bacon and some chorizo and 6 eggs and just some cheddar cheese sprinkled on top. Hey guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nacine. I'm 37 years old. I've lost 76 pounds on keto. I have 4 beautiful kids, a floofy fluffy husky, 2 kitty kitties, and I love the cookie cookies. That's a thumbs up, guys. I do have a handful of new subscribers, so welcome. I do mostly keto vlogs. I do recipes, grocery hauls, all things keto, reviews, what have you. Why did that get so much louder? I am on my way home from my boyfriend's house. It is Sunday. It's a nice brisk day. Couldn't tell you what the temperature is. What is it? It's 65. So yeah, it is nice and cool. It is still, it's only 11:30, so it could very well go up, but it is hoodie weather. And I'm loving it. Now I know in most of my vlogs you guys see me in a hoodie anyways, because it's a very thin hoodie, and at work I work in a laboratory and it's cool, so I'm not about to freeze to death. So like when I come in my car and stuff, it's usually, I'm usually like warming up and it feels good. Anyways, I had an alright weekend. It was just nice, just chilling, hanging out. Time to go home, get some meal prepping done. I gotta make those sausage breakfast burritos again for the kids, and probably chili for the week, because I make chili constantly. My kids absolutely love it, and it's an easy, quick grab. I just separate it into the little containers and they just get one out. They eat it for dinner, lunch, after school. I mean, it's not horrible, so I'll be cooking that. And then I know I have some sausage patties that I need to cook up. I'll pre-cook those, and that's probably all I'm gonna get done for meal prepping, just because everything else is frozen. So I know I have chicken and I have some steaks in there. I'm going to try not to go grocery shopping this week, because after getting my oil change and the 2 new filters, I don't really have any money for the week. And that's okay, because we have some stuff in the freezer and it's plenty enough. I just need to thaw it. What else do I need to get done today? Oh, I need to throw away my box spring and my bed frame and put my mattress on the floor, because the wood under my box spring has broken and I can't sleep in my bed. I've been sleeping on the couch for a good 2 months, and my back feels okay when I sleep on the couch, but my neck hurts. Now my back hurts when I sleep in my bed, and it's because of the broken box spring. So that's what I need to do that today, and then just regular like clean up the house type stuff, you know, catch up on housework, clean the bathrooms, kitty litter, clean up the backyard. I try to always pick up Link's poop at least every other day. and I don't think that my friend, roommate, I don't know, he's my roommate, but you guys, he's been my friend since 1st grade, so it's weird for me to call him my roommate to you guys. So just know when I say Josh, that's who I'm talking about. I don't know if Josh picked that, like would pick it up when he's watching them. So I have to do that, and then I got my other chair, so that's cool. And now we'll have all 4 chairs for the table. Other than that, I'm gonna listen to some music. I got about an hour and 40-minute drive ahead of me, and I will check in with you guys next time I eat or next time anything interesting happens. Hey guys, I am on my way to go get a car wash because, if any of you have ever had a husky, you will know that this is the season that they are blowing their coat. I wish I could borrow that guy's leaf blower because I would just blow the inside of the car clean. On this season is where he starts to shed his summer coat and gets a winter coat. He does it again at the end of winter, right before summer. And this is a bad one. The first one was not this bad. This is his 2nd year. He's almost 2 years old. So I took him to the pet store and we went to the park to go for a walk, and my car is covered in dog hair. I'm covered in dog hair. It keeps getting in my eyelashes. It keeps getting everywhere, and I cannot imagine spending all next week with this hair everywhere. So I need to go into the car wash and vacuum all the hair out, and then I need to go home and wipe down the steering wheel, the dashboard. There's just hair everywhere. Oh, the car is so clean now. I even, from where I put a metal straw in my pop bottle and my pop bottle overflew onto my seat, I shampooed this seat and this seat in a spot in the back seat. Oh, there was a hair. Anyways, it's mostly hair free, and I can live like this. So just a little bit of things that I got. I got some orange Zevia because I've actually never had it. I got some of the soaked cold brew coffee because this was on sale. Usually I prefer the Starbucks, but this was on sale. This is still on sale for only $2.99, so it's half off. So I'm gonna grab the flavors that I'm interested in trying now while it's half off. I really did like the honey one. And then these were also half off. This is the Diet Gold Peak. They were $1.99. I got a head of broccoli. I went to Marshall's and I got, can you see? This shade of pink. This is Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Lip for $4. And then this other Anastasia Beverly Hills matte lipstick for $4 in the color Dread. Super into lipsticks right now. Also at Meijer we got a couple of steaks, $3.83. I mean they're only $3.99 a pound right now. So I got 3 steaks, cooking it in the air fryer. I love making steaks in the air fryer. It's so good. What else did I get? Oh, coconut. Come on now. My collection is growing. My Soleil water. Get out of here. This is my collection of skinny syrups. And you can tell I use them quite often. I did pick up some bags from Marshall's. They were only 99 cents, so I can start using those instead of wasting. Cooked up this is about 2 pounds of ground beef. I'm gonna make a taco casserole and a cheeseburger casserole. I am cooking up some broccoli to make some fathead broccoli for dinner along with the steak. I'll check in with you guys soon. So here is dinner. I am eating this ginormous steak and some fat kid broccoli. I have not eaten anything today except for 1 serving of those eggs and chorizo. So I'm kind of hungry. I've had a couple Zevias today and then just 1 coffee, so I'm ready to consume this steak. All I did was season it with just some generic steak seasoning because I'm out of my fresh Jax, which I'm really sad about, but until I can get some more, just using that. And I'm going to use some of the honey G-Hughes and also some of the original, I think, because oh god, it's so good, you guys. Let me get it. Oh yeah, I'm gonna use that. All right, battery's dying. I'm closing the vlog out, guys. I'm gonna eat. Have a good day.